You imagine what I'm after? Moreover, can you imagine how I'm going to get it? Jericho. How's the simple life? The home life, the night life, the undercovers between the sheets and knees of your lady life. You see, me and this one, we used to go round and round. Trade blows we did. Goodness gracious, I know. Turns out it wasn't up to me whom love leans toward. Like wild dogs will fight, would we not kill each other near dead over what? A woman. And not just any. Sweeter than a cream drip strawberry. Oh, I know, and you know I know. Waves of red swept over shoulders, eyes bright, a dust of scattered emerald within, a darkness, iris to and fro where the light kept a simmer just for she. The gap just behind her lips. Oh my, those two pink lovers, destined to lay atop one another forever. A body stood sideways on elegance, flawed in ways that'll make a man hush as she walked by. Where's Jimmy? Treasure? Flushed it.
Oh, down a shitter, excuse my French. Plunged it, flushed again, waited for the water to rise once more. I'll leave the rest to your imagination, vivid as is.
Well, damn. I was hoping to save you a headache.
Will it come?